On March 13, 2025, Indian equity markets had a mixed day. The BSE Sensex dipped by 200.85 points, closing at 73,828.91, while the 950 fell by 73.30 points to settle at 22,397.20. Interestingly, the banking sector showed some resilience, with the Nifty Bank Index barely edging up by 0.01%. Among the top gainers, Bard Electronics led the pack with a 1.18% rise, followed by State Bank of India and Cipla, which saw modest gains. On the flip side, Shriram Finance faced significant selling pressure, dropping 2.66%. Hero MotoCorp and Tata Motors also struggled, reflecting the broader market's volatility. Despite lower-than-expected inflation data from both the U.S. and India, which usually boosts investor sentiment, global trade tensions loomed large, particularly concerns over potential tariff escalations. With the Indian stock market having raised around $1 trillion in market capitalization recently, retail investors are feeling the pinch. It's a reminder of how interconnected our markets are and the importance of staying informed amidst these fluctuations.